Oh, but wind from the left. Okay. Take off. Okay, clear.
Next is carrier landing. How?
Landing need to be from the right, I think.
No, carrier landing.
Oh, carrier landing.
I need a lot of wind. With,
Free fall.
especially with the S18.
Wow, very strong.
1 minute.
Low pass, then landing from the right. Landing from the right.
Yeah. There's a lot of wind, huh?
Yeah, this is very tricky.
30 seconds. RF signal critical. 20 seconds.
Landing. The 20 seconds all that you're saying.
Yeah. Radio Master has it. With the landing.
Against the wind, this is carrier landing.
Nice, nicely done. Woo! So tonight can sleep well.
9, 8.
These are all aftermarket stickers or came with the...
No, came with the plane.
it's already painted lah.
It's actually sticker, right? With a sticker, right?
Yeah, this is paint and sticker on top, but that's why I remove all the sticker and I'm painting different colors.
Actually,
The sticker is fine.
no, the characteristic of a high wing jet will be different from a low wing jet. Yeah. So this will fly like...
For instance, the one